Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2009 Ford F-250 Lariat. Stock number is 18F91A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side. You have chrome wheels wrapped with Kelly Edge tires. Running boards on the side, inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side, and we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Taking a look at the bed, you do have a spray-in bed liner. That's going to keep the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, you have audio and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes your CD player. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your four-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-250 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.